Ready to unlock intuitiveness in you and tap into higher consciousness? Unlock the secret of third eye chakra and tap into its profound wisdom. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, a meditation enthusiast, or simply looking to tap into your inner guidance, this video will provide you with the tools and techniques you need to unlock the full potential of your third eye chakra. Get ready to expand your awareness, heighten your intuition, and experience the profound benefits of balanced and open third eye chakra. Hi, my name is Rupa. If you're new here and this resonates, I strongly recommend you to subscribe to my channel Magnetize Self, where we explore the art of self awareness, self healing, and personal transformation. If you're revisiting, welcome home and thank you. The third eye chakra is a mysterious and powerful energy center that has been revered in spiritual practices for centuries now. Located between the eyebrows, it's said to be the best seat of intuition, insight, and in higher consciousness. Today, we are going to explore the concept of third eye chakra, its significance in spiritual practices, and what you can expect to learn in this video. When it comes to opening or balancing the third eye chakra, many people struggle with mental block, lack of awareness, or even the fear of unknown. This energy center is often associated with the subconscious mind, and tapping into it can be a daunting task, especially for those who are new to spiritual practices. One of the biggest challenges people face is quieting the mind and silencing the constant chatter that goes inside our head. This can make it difficult to focus and really tap into the energy of third eye. Another challenge people face is lack of patience and discipline. Balancing third eye chakra requires a consistent effort and practice with awareness, and many people give up very easily. Many people also struggle with the fear of unknown, which can be a major barrier to open the third eye chakra. They may be afraid of what they might see or experience, or they may be afraid of losing control or surrendering to the higher power. This fear can be overwhelming and can prevent people from even attempting to open their third eye chakra. Finally, some people may struggle with lack of trust in themselves and their abilities. They may doubt their ability to access higher states of consciousness, or may feel like they are not worthy to experience the profound insight that the third eye chakra has to offer. One of the most powerful techniques for opening third eye chakra is meditation. By quieting the mind and focusing your attention inward, you can tap into the energy of the third eye. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit, then close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows and begin to visualize a bright pulsing light. As you inhale, imagine that light expands and fill your entire body. As you exhale, imagine any thoughts or distraction that's not serving you at this point in time leaving your mind. Also, there are Bija Mantras, are single syllable sounds or seed sounds that are associated with each chakra in Hindu or yogic tradition. They help cleanse and balance the chakras. Bija mantras help in chakra balance, energy flow, also aid in healing, mind body connection, and spiritual growth. For the third eye chakra, also known as Ajna chakra in Sanskrit, the Bija mantra is Om. You can also practice chakra meditation with Bija mantras. When you do the meditation, as mentioned, you can include this Bija mantra to heal, open, and balance your third eye chakra. Chant the Bija mantra to deepen your healing voice as you meditate to heal and balance your third eye chakra. Close your eyes. Repeat after me to just feel the vibration of this third eye chakra's Bija mantra. Om. 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 Feel the vibration and energy of this mantra. Now, slowly, please open your eyes. I'm sure you can feel the shift in your energy. If yes, please comment your experience in the comment box below. Please note, I am not a medical practitioner for any medical concerns. Please consult a professional if there is a need for medical attention. The concepts and ideas I share on my channel through my videos is to focus on preventive techniques and supportive measures to help you unleash your potential and live with high energy, leading you to the best version of yourself. For more tips and techniques to enhance your life energy, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Another powerful technique is visualization. This can be done in conjunction with meditation, as mentioned above, or as a standalone practice too. To visualize, simply close your eyes and imagine yourself in a peaceful, relaxing environment. Imagine yourself surrounded by bright white light that's filling your entire body. As you inhale, imagine this navy blue, deep indigo light expanding and filling your third eye chakra. As you exhale, imagine any blockages or limitations or any thoughts that is leaving your body and mind. Another important technique is breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are also a great way to open the third eye chakra. One technique is to inhale through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 4, and then exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Repeat this couple of times till you feel centered, and this can help to calm the mind and focus your attention inward. Another technique is to breathe in through your nose and out through your third eye, imagining that you're breathing in a higher state of consciousness and breathing out your limitations and blockages. That is, as you exhale, imagine the air is being breathed out through your third eye, which is taking out all your blockages and non serving limitations. One of the most transformative technique I have found is something called gazing technique. This involves focusing your attention on a specific point such as tip of your nose or a candle flame and holding your gaze for an extended period of time. This can help to quiet the mind and focus your attention inward, allowing you to tap into the energy of third eye chakra. Start by gazing at the point for 10 to 15 seconds, then take a break and look away. As you get more comfortable, you can increase the amount of time you are gazing. Gazing the flame, also known as Trataka, is an amazing technique to follow for this purpose. As you continue to practice these techniques, you may start to experience profound shifts in your awareness and perception. You may begin to see the whole new world in new light or experience a deeper sense of connection to the universe. This can be a truly transformative experience, and it's one of that can have a lasting impact on your life. The key is to be consistent and patient and to trust yourself and your abilities. To summarize, we have explored the concept of third eye chakra, discussed the common challenges people face in opening it, and explored the various techniques for tapping into its energy. Remember, the key is to be consistent and patient and to trust in yourself and your abilities. By opening your third eye chakra, you can experience profound shifts in your awareness and perception and gain a deeper understanding of the universe and your place in it. My dear one, these are not overnight results. These need time. Healing is all about giving its own time, divine intervention, and divine results will be obtained. Thank you for watching till here, my dear one. And if you had any experiences with third eye chakra healing, please make sure that you share with me in the comments below. I would love to read them. Have you ever tried to open your third eye chakra? What techniques have you worked with? Be sure that you share these insights and experiences if you have any. Before you move on, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, Magnetize Self, like and share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on chakra healing for more insights and tips. Loads of love. Until next time.